Alright, I would love it if somebody could tell me what this sound is. Really tough to figure out where that's coming from.